Hello developers and welcome to PHP Developers TV, your home for everything you need to know to be a knowledgeable PHP developer. I'm your host, as always, Scott Keck-Warren. This video is your community update for December of 2021. In this video, we're going to be discussing what you can expect in your feed this month, news from our community for the past month, as well as news from the wider PHP community. We're going to be putting out two videos this month. One on Vagrant Snapshot feature, which allows us to freeze our Vagrant drives at a specific point in time, and the other video on feature flags, which allow us to develop features and turn them on and off in production without actually changing our code. And we want to welcome all of our new subscribers over the past month. We love all of our subscribers, and it really helps us keep going, seeing all of the positive engagement that we're getting within our community. On more social media news, we launched our own subreddit. It can be found at r/PHP Developers TV. The plan right now is to just have it as a place for community to discuss things, as well as post our videos. So make sure that you join our community so that you can follow in on the discussions. Now on to news about the PHP community in general. One of the big things that happened this month is that PHP 8.1 was released. And make sure that you check your feed because we have two videos on the new features in 8.1 that we found the most interesting, as well as a focused video just on the enumerations feature. The second big piece of news is that the PHP Foundation was created this month. So we haven't really had a chance to discuss how PHP is developed, but as of right now, it's developed by a couple of people who are paid by their companies to develop PHP, and then a bunch of volunteers. The big news about this was that in the community, one of the people who's actually paid by their company to develop PHP has said that he's not going to be working on PHP anymore. And this is a huge blow to PHP just because he's been one of the core maintainers of the language. So to help prevent this kind of loss again, the PHP Foundation has been created in order to help fund PHP developers. It can be found at opencollective.com/PHP Foundation. It's currently looking for people to donate money to the foundation so that they can then give money to people who are working on PHP. Because PHP is open source, I think it's very important that companies and individuals who derive their livelihood from PHP should be helping to donate to it and keep it going. So as part of that, we're going to be donating a small amount of money every month to the PHP Foundation. One of the recently passed RFCs has caused some discussion within the PHP community, and that's the deprecation of dynamic properties. In versions of PHP 8.1 or lower, we can use properties inside of a class without defining them first. This is referred to as a dynamic property. The annoying downside to this feature is that if we typo, misspell, or misremember the dynamic property's name, it can create a bug in our code. The Deprecates Dynamic Properties RFC changes how PHP operates so that in PHP 8.2, a deprecation warning will be raised if we attempt to use a dynamic property. The plan is that in PHP 9.0, it'll actually throw an error. We can prepare for this change by defining all of our properties now, and even better yet, defining them with a type. As someone who's been bitten by this before, I'm a huge fan of this change, but some of the community prefers it the old way. Let us know how you feel in the comments. As always, thank you for watching our video. Please make sure to subscribe, comment, and like as it does help others find us. Are you enjoying these community videos? Let us know in the comments. Are you not? Let us know how we can improve. This is Scott Keck-Warren for PHP Developers TV, signing off and reminding you to keep coding.